Misty here, and I want to show you how to make a chimichanga in the microwave. Reason is I'm starving. I've been trying to learn the bump. Really worked up an appetite. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how to make a chimichanga in the microwave. So let's go into the kitchen. First thing we need is a paper plate. You following me? Cool. Okay. Okay. Paper plates. This stupid. Darn thing didn't want to come out of there. Okay. Oh! Are you okay, Misty? Yeah. I just bashed my head. Sorry about that, guys. I really need to look where I'm going. Oh, okay. Get in the freezer and get our chimichangas. Oh, these babies are caught. Oh, okay. Okay, you didn't shut the freezer. Oh, okay. Let's go back. Shut the freezer. Oh my goodness. Misty, watch what you're doing. Okay, here we go. Yeah, and get the chimichanga. They're stuck together. Oh, okay. Well, get something and here we go. Dang. So like if they get stuck together, just grab something and, knock them loose a little bit. No big deal. Okay. There it goes. This is how you do it. You put it plate. Just, whoa. Sorry about that. Just get, there it is. Then you pull the plate like so. Did you get that? I tried to. You're moving around a lot. Okay. Here, get in the microwave. And put the plate in. There we go. And you put a lid on it. Okay, yeah, okay, that was a lot of work. Yeah, I guess that's a lot to do for a little puppet, huh? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, and now we put it on 2 minutes. And we wait. So, did you get the dance down yet? Yeah, I think I'm really ready to do the bump. Now I just gotta find a partner. Cool. So I guess you can put that back now. You don't need it anymore. That big spoon thing. Okay. Yeah, and then you put we're gonna put the frozen burritos back. They're so cold. Oh goodness. You just please don't throw your burritos around like I just did. Okay. Oh, Misty, your hair's falling off. Okay, I'll fix it later. This is wearing me out. Oh goodness, you must really be tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay.